Thank you very much for joining this session again on our French class. So, conjugaison, which is conjugation, and we look at some verbs. So, but what we look at is we look at verbs that end with er verbs. That's like parler, manger. So we look at those verbs that verb that end with er. Yes, and so and one thing I also explain is I, je, tu, and il, they are singular, while vous, nous, il with s, they are plural. So, but I need to also point I need to point to this thing also. These verbs, there are some verbs they end with ir. If you look at the list of verbs I gave you yesterday, you will see that some of these verbs end with ir. Understand? They end with ir.
Yes.
Verb that end with verb that end with er, they follow the same pattern in their conjugaison, in the how do you call conjugaison? They follow the same pattern. If you say je, it end with e, like e, but tu end with es, il, i, nous, ons. You understand now? So they follow the same pattern, but they are different from verbs that end with ir. You understand now? So that's why I sent you the book I sent you so that you can also go over it. So the verb that end with ir. An example, fini, fini. Just pronounce it, fini.
Fini.
Yeah, that is the verb to finish. English you say finish. French you say
Yeah.
fini. Understand?
Okay.
So you can see fini here is a verb to finish. Now, when you look at it now, you say, I finish. I finish. Je finis.
Je
Je
finis.
finis. With S, you can see finish in English is SH, right? But
Yes.
here, je finis, I finish. It's just with S, no H. Je finis.
Okay. Je finis.
You see, yeah, you finis. Like silent S. Tu finis.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Il finit with T. You see now, they've changed the forms now. The first one with S, the second with S, the third one come with T. But if it's the other one that end with verb that end with ER, understand? They are different in pattern. What they end with is different in pattern. The same thing what the ER also, what they end with is a different pattern. So il ou elle finit with T. Right?
Okay.
Now we
Yes.
have here nous finissons. Nous finissons. Can you pronounce it?
Nous finissons.
That is, we finish.
Yeah.
We have here
Nous
vous
finissons.
finissez. Okay? And vous finissez.
Vous finissez.
Okay? Ils finissent.
Ils finissent.
That's the plural. Thank
Yeah.
you very much. Now, one thing you need to notice in the pattern is that in the plural form, all the verb in the present tense, they end with ONS for nous. For vous, they end with EZ. For il in plural form or elle in plural form, they end with ENT.
ENT.
Do you understand? But the only difference you will
Yes.
notice is on je, tu, and il.
Okay.
Can you please start now from the beginning? Je, tu. il. Just from the beginning, just read it out here. This ones.
Je finis. Tu finis.
Read it out. Je finis. Je finis. Non, je finis. Je finis.
Je finis.
Thank you.
Tu finis.
Okay. Tu finis. Je finis. Tu finis. Go down. Je finis. Tu finis.
Je finis. Tu finis.
Mhm.
Il finit. Vous finissons.
Nous finissons.
Nous finissons.
Okay. You can see here. It said finissons. Nous finissons.
Nous finissons. Vous finissez.
Finissez. Vous finissez.
Vous finissez.
OK?
Il ou elle finit. Finissez.
Il ou elle finissent.
Il ou elle
Finissent.
finissent. J'ai fini.
Thank you very much.
Tu finis.
J'ai
Il,
fini. J'ai fini. Tu finis. OK?
il ou elle
Continue.
finit. Vous finissons. Nous finissons.
Nous, not vous. Nous.
Yeah. Nous
OK?
finissons. Vous finissez. Vous finissez.
No. Vous. When it's vous, it becomes vous finissez. Vous
Vous
finissez.
finissez.
That is you finish. That is you finish. You understand now?
Okay.
That is in the plural form, or when you want to give respect to somebody. So vous finissez and il finissent.
Ils finissent.
Ils finissent. Thank you very much. Now, what I would give you is this one. I'm going to give you as an assignment. You will form a complete sentence with it. You know, in the previous class, I formed a complete sentence for you to pronounce, but this one you are going to form a complete sentence with it. Your friends, ChatGPT is your friend, or any means you have is your friend, but I want you to also do an effort. Do an effort. So, I
Yes.
give you. So, I give an example now. Je finis de manger. Je finis de manger et on va à la mosquée. Can you try to translate this for me? I think you can. You get some words there. From what previous class, you can get some words. Je finis
Yes.
de manger.
Tu finis
Et
au je.
je finis de manger.
That's
Et
I finish
on va
eating.
à la mosquée. Et on va à la mosquée.
We are going to the mosque.
Yeah. So I said, je finis de manger. I finish eating.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes.
When you say A is and, we go to the mosque. Understand now? So just think of how you can just form little sentences that you think it can incorporate to this verb finir. Understand now? Understand? So the second one I want to look at verb that end with re. No, we've done verb that end with er. Now look at verb that end with verb that end with re.
R-E.
Uh, uh-huh. Now, verb that end with re, like we have this verb rand, to give back, to give back.
Rendre.
Yeah, to give back,
Okay.
to give back, to give back. So rand, to give back. Yeah, and to give back. So we now say je rende, je rende. Look at je rende. Je rende end with s. I don't know whether you notice.
Yes. Yes.
Je rende, it end with s. Tu rendes end with s, right? Il ou elle rende, it doesn't end with s.
Yes.
Listen. So in pronunciation, the pronunciation is still the same thing, but in writing, that is where you are going to make the difference, right?
Okay.
We now say, how do you pronounce this one? How will you now pronounce this one? How will you pronounce it?
Nous rendons. Nous rendons.
ONS. Thank you very much. Nous rendons. We give back. We give
Okay.
back. Understand? So how will you pronounce this for the following one?
Vous rendez. Vous
Vous
rendez.
rendez, not days. Understand? Like here we say vous finissez. So here it's going to
Yes.
be vous
Vous
rendez.
rendez.
Yes, yesterday we do manger.
Yes.
Manger. Vous mangez. Vous finissez. Now we have il ou elle rend. Il ou elle rend. The ENT is a bit silent, but in writing it's not silent. In writing it has to show. So when it is plural, il ou elle, you can see il ou elle, that's in plural form, rand.
Yes.
Do you understand now? So these two, the verb that end with ir, fini, a and rand, I want you to, you that's understand now, just form a correct sentence. Mm, just form a correct sentence. In this book I sent you, there are some assignment there. There are some how do you call it, some work that you need to just do on your own, practical work. I want to show you something.
Okay.
Okay, let's go back to this one. We've done this one a bit, but let's go back to this again. I think we done some part of this, but not all. Now,
Yes.
I in French. You already know this one, right? Salut,
Yeah.
right?
Salut.
Yeah. What about this one?
Ça va.
Ça va, ça va, ça va. With the question mark, it changed. Because if the ça va is not with the question mark again, like you say, oui, ça va. Yes, I'm fine. Or yes, it's okay.
Yeah.
Understand?
Okay.
Yes, I'm fine. Yes, it's okay. Understand
Okay.
now? But ça va, that is without a question mark. French people are going to, from how you pronounce it, they were going to sense if you are asking a question or you are replying a question. When you say ça va, that is everything's okay. I'm okay. You understand now? So we, you already know we, which is yes.
Yes. Then we have non.
No, not none, not none.
Yeah, it's
No.
non.
Okay. What follows?
D'accord.
D'accord, which is okay. 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 What follows?
En avant.
On y va. Look at here.
On y
That is
va.
the English way of pronouncing it. Look at the
Ok.
English way of pronouncing it. That's the English way of pronouncing it. It's put here for you to pronounce it. On y va. You join the E with the N. On y va, like in English.
Ok. On y va.
Let's go. Maybe you want to talk with your sister, your brother, and say, "Oh, on y va, let's go." On y va. Understand? What about this one? Attends.
Attends.
Look at how to pronounce it in French, in English. Attends.
Yeah.
Wait. Attends. You
Attends.
can tell people that. Attends. Wait.
Wait.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. J'ai faim. J'ai faim.
Je.
J'ai faim.
J'ai
Yep.
fait.
Mhm. J'ai faim. I'm hungry. Because
I am hungry.
you can say, yeah, that is j'ai faim. But if you want to say you are hungry, what will it be from our conjugation?
Tu fais.
From our conjugation. Tu as faim.
Ok. Tu as fait.
Understand now? We've done it. We've
Yeah.
done a conjugation like that. J'ai, a, il a. We've done it already. So when you say j'ai faim, I'm hungry. Tu as faim. You are hungry. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yes.
Now, quoi? Quoi?
Yeah. Quoi?
See how to write, how to pronounce it here. Quoi? Il y a quoi? What? Understand now?
Quoi?
Il y a quoi? French people, they normally say il y a quoi, especially if you're in the écran, il y a quoi? What happened? Understand? So,
Yes.
if you say quoi, what? Il y a quoi?
Quoi?
What happened? Ya is W-A. Yes. Ya is W-A. C'est quoi? C'est quoi? What?
Yeah.
Now, let's look at this one. Can you pronounce it? Or I should pronounce it for you. Or
Je n'ai
check this one
pas
yourself.
quoi. Prêt. Je n'ai pas quoi.
Look at this
Prêt.
one. If you no, it is je n'ai pas compris. Je n'ai pas compris. Can you pronounce it?
Je
Look at it. Look at the je. N'ai
n'ai
pas.
pas compris.
Not pass. Pas.
Pas compris.
Je n'ai pas compris. Je n'ai
Je
pas
n'ai pas
compris.
compris.
Thank you. Je n'ai pas compris. Je n'ai pas compris. Je
Je
n'ai
n'ai
pas
pas
compris.
compris.
Okay. Which is I don't understand. Understand? I don't understand. I do not understand. Understand? Now, pardon. Pardon.
Pardon.
Sorry. 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 We have here répéter. Répéter.
Répéter.
Répéter.
Répéter. Let's repeat.
Mhm.
Répéter.
Repeat. Okay. Yeah. S'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît. Please.
Yes.
S'il vous
S'il
plaît.
vous plaît.
Please. This one is merci.
Ah, merci.
Merci, which
Merci.
is a thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the last one is à plus.
À plus.
À plus. So that is bye.
Bye.
Why we say à bientôt. See you next time. À bientôt. You know, we've done à bientôt. I think in the previous class, I think I mentioned that one before. À bientôt. See you next time.
No, we didn't
Did you know how
mention
to write that à
that. I
bientôt?
think we did enchanté. Nice to meet you.
Enchanté, yeah.
But, yeah.
Yeah. À bientôt is spelled A, you put space, and you put BIENTOT. À bientôt. À bientôt. À
Okay.
bientôt.
À bientôt.
Yeah. See you next time. Or
Okay.
see you later. Listen. Now, I want you to start again from salut to à plus. Read it yourself from salut to à plus.
Salut. That's hi. Then ça va. What's up? Yes. Oui. No. Is no. Then okay. Is d'accord. Let's go. On y va.
Yeah, on y va. Yeah.
Then wait is attends.
Mhm.
I am hungry. J'ai faim.
J'ai faim. Okay.
Then what is quoi?
Mhm.
I don't understand. Je n'ai pas compris. Then sorry. Pardon.
Okay.
Then repeat. Répétez.
Pardon. Okay.
Then please. S'il vous
Répétez.
plaît.
Répétez. Prononce répéter.
Répétez. Répétez.
Mhm.
Then
Okay.
thank you. Merci. Then bye is à plus.
Okay.
À
What about
plus.
please?
Please.
À
S'il vous
plus.
plaît.
À plus. Yeah. What is please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So you need to know. You see, one thing is if you want to speak the French as an so far as you are in the midst of French people, this word that you were doing, there are some words we are going to be doing every day, some sentences, and some come to be saying it to people. Understand? So I don't know whether you can
Yes.
hear me.
Yes.
So you we need to say to people, don't whether you dare to correct you, even though they will laugh, but they are going to give you the correction. That's the purpose. The purpose is just say it the way you think it is, and they are going to help you with the correct pronunciation. But if you don't
Okay.
repeat, if you don't put it in practice, it's going to be difficult to speak the language. You need to put it in practice. Like you said yesterday, you called your daddy Mape, and he said no, they don't say Mape, they say Mompe. That is how it works.
Yes.
So now, make the mistake and somebody is going to correct you. And even though they will laugh, but just make the mistake and let somebody correct you, and then that's going to make you progress.
Yeah,
And so
sure.
now,
Sure.
I sent you in the slide I sent you yesterday. There is this one there in the slide. So that's alphabet in French. So I don't want to go to alphabet in French. You go there yourself. You go there. You go there yourself because alphabet in French and in English they are the same like the same thing. So it's not like Arabic or German or Polish that they have different alphabets. They have the same
Yeah.
alphabet. French and English, they have the same alphabet. The only thing is pronunciation that is different. The only thing is pronunciation that is different. So, but just go. I sent you in the slide yesterday. Just go over it yourself and try to see. Okay, for your
Okay.
level, if it's a child, I can say ABC for a child, but for your level, I don't want to go
I think
ABC
I can read
with
it,
you.
but I'm not sure.
And
I
that's
can read
why.
it, I
So
think.
let's go. Let's go with this. I'm listening to you.
A, B, C,
Just read it
D,
out.
E, F, G, H, then I, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, then S, T, U, V, W,
W.
W,
Okay.
Y, no,
X.
it's not X, then Y, Z.
Thank you very much. So that doesn't. We don't need to go over that one. So now, numbers. Do you know?
Yes.
Do you, okay. Try.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Thank you very much. Now, so that means that we don't need to just go over it. But I want you to start from this one billion, 1 billion, go to 21. How do you start now?
How?
From read it out in like the way you read 1 2 3 to 20 in French. I want you to read from 1 billion now, as in you are seeing in the table. 1 billion, 1 million, thousand, hundred, 90, 80, 70, 60. Do you understand?
Ok. 1 billiard.
Milliard. Okay.
Yeah, 1 milliard. 1, 1 million
Mil- okay, that's 1 million. A million is 1 billion. Okay.
is, and then 1000, then 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, then 50, 40, 30, 22, 21,
Thank you. 21, 21.
21.
Yeah. So thank you very much. So that's already good. Now we proceed. We've done this. Time in French. Do you know it, or should we should try it together?
Let's try together. 12 is
Now,
midi.
no, 12 a.m.
12 a.m.
12 a.m. We have here 12 a.m. Minuit, like
Minuit.
like midnight. Minuit,
Yeah.
minuit.
Minuit.
So why 1 a.m.? Yeah, why 1 a.m.? That's midnight, 1 a.m. That's une heure. Une is one, like un. You know, when you count the numbers, you say un, deux, trois, right? So,
Yes.
so the full, the feminine, une. So you now say
Yeah.
une heure. So une heure. Do you
1 heure.
understand? Like 1 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay,
2 heures.
try it. Thank you. That's 2 a.m.
Yeah. Then 3 heures.
Okay,
4 heures.
Thank you.
5 heures.
5 heures.
5 heures.
Because you see 5 heures. Because you see 5 heures. You see 5 heures, not 5 heures. 5 heures. Listen.
5 heures. Then we have
Okay.
6 heures.
Thank you.
7 heures.
Thank you. 7 a.m.
8 heures.
Thank you. 8 a.m.
Then 9 heures.
9 heures. Okay.
10 heures. 11 heures.
10 heures. 11 heures.
Then we have midi. That's
12
12
p.m.
p.m.
Thank you. Midi 12 p.m.
Then we
Now,
have 13 heures.
13 heures. Okay.
12 heures. No, it's
No, 2 p.
14 heures.
14 heures. That's 2 p.m. Because
Yes.
French people, 2 p.m. in French is 1 and 4. You know, some clock, it is 14,
Yes. Yes,
right?
it's
So
14. Yeah.
that is why it is called 14.
Yeah.
French, we say English, 2 p.m. Listen, but the French people, they will read it out as it is like 14. That's how they, to 14 heures.
Yes. 14 heures. 15 heures.
Mhm.
16 heures. 17 heures. We have 18 heures. 17 heures. Then 20
No,
heures.
7 p.m. What is 7 p.m.?
20 heures.
7 p.m. No, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. In the clock, in the round clock, that
It's
is
this
7
this
is
it's
where
never. It's this never.
19, 19,
That's
19.
yeah. Then we have 20 heures. 21
Okay,
heures. Then
okay.
22 heures. Then we have
Okay.
23 heures.
So after like 11 p.m., that's 23 heures. After 11 p.m., we go to minuit, which is
Yeah.
12
12
a.m.
a.m.
That's minuit. Now, that's one. You know, that's one. Good. Now, let's go to this one now. This is going to be the last one for today. So, henceforth, we are going to use this book. So, the book is like 110 pages. So, we need to just do all the 110 pages. So, it was small, small, not rushing. Now, this is saying, what time is it? Understand? What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Can you
Quelle
pronounce
heure
it?
est-il?
Quelle heure est-il? What time is this? So you are trying to ask somebody the time. Quelle heure est-il? What time? Understand? What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Listen. Quelle heure
Okay.
est-il? Can you pronounce it again?
Quelle heure es-tu?
Est-il? Est-il?
Est-il? Quelle
You see
heure
that?
es-tu?
You see the last one. The last one I put blue ink on is end with
Est.
ESTIL. So it's e and il. But because they are together in the sentence, you use, we call something liaison, that is, join them together. We join them together. Listen now. So, quelle
Yes.
heure est-il? Heure is time, right?
Yes.
So, quelle in this context is what? Listen. So, quelle heure est-il?
Quelle
Do you
heure
understand?
es-tu?
Est-il? Not tu. Tu is tu. But this one is different.
Est-il?
Thank you very much. Now, and you reply, il est Il est 10 heures. It is 10 a.m.
Il est 10 heures.
10 a.m. Now, read this one yourself now.
Il est 22 heures.
It is 10 p.m. Okay, continue.
Yeah. Il est une. What is
Une.
une
Okay.
heure? Il
Okay.
est
What?
30.
Join it together now.
Il est 1h30.
Une is 1. Right?
Yes.
30 is what? 30 is what?
30.
30. That is, it is 1:30. Il est 1h30. Il est 1h30. Il est
Il
1h30.
est 1h30. Il
Ah, ça,
est 1h30.
1:30. Now, here now. What do we have here?
Il est 13h30.
Yeah, that is 1:30 p.m. because we mentioned 13 heures.
Yeah.
The other one we mentioned 1 heure. That's 1 a.m. Understand? But here we
Yeah.
mentioned 13. He's making 13. That is 13 is 1 p.m.
It's
1:30
1.
p.m. Understand?
Yeah.
Follow this one also. What do we have here?
Il est 10h20.
Il est 10h20. Okay. Il est 10h20. What is 10:20? 20 is 20. Right?
Yes.
Now, what about the following one?
Il est 22h20.
Thank you. What is that?
That's 10:20 p.m.
Thank you. Okay. Now, next. Next.
Can you pronounce it, please?
Il est 4 moins 5. Il est 4 is 4, right?
Yes.
4 is 4. You now say 4 heures. Moins. Moins mean minus 5.
Okay.
5.
5.
In time, you now say that il est 4 minus moins 5. That is that 4 p.m. remain 5 minutes.
Okay.
Also now, moins means minus. I don't know whether you
Okay.
understand this context, the
Yeah,
way they
I
do
got it. That's
4.5. Moins is just
il
a minus. Let's say that there is 5 minutes to
to
4.
4.
You understand
Il
now?
est 4h moins 5.
Okay. Okay.
This one is il est 16h moins 5.
Thank you very much. That's 5 minutes to 4 p.m.
Yes.
Yes. Now, here we have il est 12h30.
Il est 12h30. That's 12:30 p.m.
Yeah. What about this?
Il est midi et demi.
Demi. Demi means half.
Half.
You understand now? So in a clock, when you say half, that is still 30.
Yeah.
30 minutes.
Mm.
So they now say il est midi et demi. Mm, that is
12,
12:30.
30.
So, but you can also say il est midi 30, which is 12:30. You can put that 30, that 30 there. Il est midi 30.
Okay.
Do you understand? But the demi in this context is half.
It's half.
We call half. So like moins is minus, demi is half. So
It's
half of a
half.
clock. We know an hour is 30, an hour is 60 minutes. We now say demi, which is a 30 minute of the 60 minutes. You understand? Now,
Yes.
what next?
Il est minuit 30.
Minuit 30, minuit 30, minuit
Minuit
30.
30.
Okay.
That's 12:30 a.m.
Okay. What's the next one?
Il est minuit et demi.
Minuit et demi. That is
12:30
12:30
a.m.
a.m. Okay. That is because minuit is already 12 a.m.
12
Okay. Now,
a.m.
what followed next? What's this?
Can you pronounce it?
Il est 17, 17, 17, understand? 17. 17 is 17.
17.
Understand?
Mm.
Yeah. So 17h15. 17 in a clock. Understand?
Yeah,
17 in a
it's 5.
clock. That's
5 p.m.
5. Understand now? So 17h15. When I say 15, 15 is 15.
15. Mm.
15 is 15. Understand now? It is 15 minutes after 5. Do you understand?
Yes.
17h15.
Il est 17h15.
Read this one yourself.
Il est
The following one, read the following one yourself.
et, et,
This
quart. Is it a car?
a car. Yeah, that is quarter to. Understand? Car. Understand? In English, we say quarter. It's still the same thing. It's still the same
Yes.
writing. Just like in English, they put er. So il est 17h et quart. Understand? Now?
Il
That is,
est
it is
17h15
uh, quarter to.
to 5.
Sorry, quarter after. Quarter after. Understand? Quarter after 5. Now the last one we have il est 18h45. 18h45.
18h45. That's
Understand? 18h45.
7 p.m. Yeah, it's 45.
Il est 18h40. They make a mistake, hein? 18h45. 18h,
18h
okay.
is 6 p.m.
Why the last one we have
Right?
18h is 6 p.m. Yeah, 45. They make a mistake here. 18h is 6 p.m. That's a mistake here. So 18h is 6 p.m. We now say 45. 18h
It's
45. What is 45?
45.
Yeah, 25. So they make a mistake there, but you understand the context already. So il est 19h moins le K. Le K. Il est 18h moins le K. That is, it is quarter to 7 p.m. 19h. Understand now? So 7 p.m.
Yeah. Il est
Understand?
19h
So,
moins le quart.
yeah. Yeah. So this is page 21. So tomorrow we'll continue with page 22. We'll continue with page 22. But today we stop. Just remind me that we stop at page 21, and tomorrow we'll continue with your page 22. So
Okay.
mm, it's going to 22. So you can also practice this exercise that is there. They put it in English already. 9:10, you write it in French. 2:15 a.m. You write it in French, you understand? You can practice it yourself. So, and that assignment I gave you in that this assignment, find the verb that end with I have fini and re, complete a sentence for me and send me. Yesterday I sent an assignment, you were busy, but you can also send all together. I will look at it today. I'll look at it
Okay.
today. Just that I'm starting work by 12 in the UK and I'll finish by 9 p.m. So I mean, I have time for the night class. That's why I decided to do it in the morning here. So we are going to call the class A. If you have question,
No.